It's a beautiful day here in Fiji. Hey everybody, Baron and Bren Bruno. Hula! We are in Martintar right now in Nandi, and this is right where the international airport is located. We have a newer building right now available for sale, and this is a freehold property. Less than 8% of properties in Fiji are freehold. Most are native lease, owned by the locals, and you pay annual lease payments, or crown land, which is owned by the government. And here you see the backup generator, backup water supply. This building has 8 units total. There are 6 2-bedroom units. We're gonna go check one of those out right now, and 2 1-bedroom units. 1 parking spot for each tenant. And as you can see, these are fully furnished, ready to go with the TVs on the wall. Nice ceiling fan, got some nice colorful artwork in here. You can see almost brand new mattresses, air conditioners. Here's your built-in for your belongings, nice mirror there, and shower stall, rain shower, and those are slow close drawers in there. Find out more about this and all of our listings. You can go to professionalsfiji.com, and if you want to know what the rental income is, the income and expenses for this 8-unit property that's available as an investment, go call us at +679 999 2051, and we will get you the financials, and we can give you all of the current market data on what rents are like, how things are going here in Fiji, and more importantly, what the upside is going to be once these borders open back up and more tenants and renters are here. So now you've seen both bedrooms, 2 beds, 2 baths, fully furnished. You have laundry and a utility sink on the outside here. Just nice mountain views off the back. And look at this, great long patio area. Get some chairs out here, sit out here with some friends. You're gonna have some great mountain views across here, and sunsets are gonna be just really, really lovely. And I can feel that cool breeze on my back right now. So find out more, go to professionalsfiji.com or call us +679 999 2051 and learn more about this great investment property, freehold title here in the greater Nandi area, just minutes from the international airport and minutes from shopping and restaurants and retail. Port Denarau Marina, Nandi Golf Course, Denarau Golf Course, and pretty close to Natandola Golf Course as well too, and all the boating activities that you can have here as well. We look forward to hearing from you soon. Take care, talk soon. Inaka.